Hey guys, Corey here at Panama City Harley-Davidson. Just want to show you a bike that we just buffed the fairing on. It came in with a unknown amount of scuff from what looked like a Scotch-Brite pad. And after wet sanding it with 2000 grit sandpaper and then buffing it with first 1500, then 1200, and then finally 3000 grit rubbing compound, it's come back pretty beautiful. I'm really surprised that it came back this glossy, and just wanted to show you what you can kind of expect from a bike that has really dulled over the years. Okay guys, don't be afraid to bring your bike in. You'd be surprised what we can handle. Once again, this is Corey over at Panama City Harley-Davidson. See you.